Now that we have learned how to create a ticket, let's take the supporter perspective. Navigate to Service Operations, All Open Incidents. Here you will see a list of several open incidents. And at the top, you'll find our newly created incident from the previous video. Double-click on the incident to open it. You can see the responsible user and other details. To manage this incident, click Edit in the upper right corner and set the status to Active. If you need more input from the user, you can use the comment section to request more information. This dialog can be integrated directly into Microsoft Teams, so that the user does not have to log into the service desk again. Unfortunately, this feature cannot be tested in the test environment. Contact us if you would like to learn more. For now, let's leave it at that. Since you are both an end user and a supporter in this scenario, you could start a conversation with yourself now. But we're not going to do that right now. Let's assume that we are still waiting for an answer. What you could do in the meantime is to open the relationship overview to get more insights into all the CIs associated with the ticket. For example, you could learn more about the user and find out where exactly the defective hardware is located. Have a browse through the other tickets now and become better acquainted with the software. And as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.